ducts cleaned. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we finished up. Check it out. Breathe better. Call yo. Let's go. Absolutely amazing, guys. Check it out. An amazing difference. Look at that, guys. This is a synthetic rug, machine made, and we were able to do it on site. We also do pickup and delivery. We can do it at our shop. We have a rug plant there. But in this case, we're already here doing our HVAC cleaning and our couch. We have two of them. And she asked if we rugs, and we certainly can. As long as it's synthetic and it's made out of the right material, and it can be, the cleaning code is steam cleaning, what stands for W. So look at that, guys. Amazing. All right, stay tuned for some results. We're working on some upholstery now. We got a total of 2 pieces. We already pre-sprayed. It's going good. Working over there. Hope you guys are having a great day. You guys see that difference? Look at that, guys. They got 6 grandkids, of course, but we're gonna Scotch guard it after we're done to help protect the fabric from resoiling. And easier next time vacuuming, and it just helps repel stains and spills, things like that. So it's a good idea every time you get your upholstery or your carpets cleaned to get it re-protected. Look at that, guys. All right, guys, stay tuned for some results. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, just got done doing the upholstery. We also Scotch guarded it today. And remember, if you ever get Scotch Guard, it's half the cost of the cleaning. And we charge $249 each sofa. And that's going to do it. She loves it. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Just beautiful. Hope you guys are having a good Thursday. After this, we have a hardwood job to do. And we are doing good, guys. We're booked up about 3 weeks right now, 3.5 weeks in advance. If you guys need any of our service, reach out. We're happy to serve. Just beautiful. All right, guys, stay tuned.